Hey guys, so this activity that you are going to do is representing a genetic drift, which genetic drift is sort of a random decrease in gene frequency within a population due to kind of chance or unpredictable accidents. Like, for example, if you had an ant population and half the ants got stepped on, all their genes would not be passed on to the next generation, and the only ones that survive would be the ones that their genes would have been passed on. So this activity, if you will, you're going to need 5 different colors. So I have 5 different colors here, and what you're going to do is you're going to take these 5 different colors, and this is going to be one driftworm, one color. I sort of chose the colors in the rainbow. You can choose whatever color you would want to, but you're going to need 5 different colors. You're also going to need a die. And if you do not have a die, you know, that single dice, sorry, I have a kitty that's sticking a paw in here. Okay, we'll give him a crown, I'm sorry. Here you go, Stumpy. Okay, so you also need a dice. If you don't have one, in this assignment on Schoology, there is a link to an online dice that you can use in case you don't have one. I only had dice that had 6 numbers on them, so if I roll a 6, I'm just going to roll again. But the first thing after you've done all your 5 colors, then you roll your dice. So I got 4th, that would be this 4th one right here. And so what I'm going to do is these are going to be my next generation, and I can only have 5 because I had 5 different colors to begin with. And so one of them is what I rolled. One will be green, so I'll color that one green. And then I'm going to roll my dice again. This time I got the 3rd one. The 3rd one is the yellow one. I roll my dice again. 2 will be yellow, and I will keep going until I fill all these driftworms. The 5th one was blue, so I roll my dice. I get 2. So I'm going to roll again. I get the 5th one again, which is blue. And I get 3, but there's only 1 space, so I fill in the last remaining space, and the other 2 I will not count. So then now I go to this column, and I'll see which genes are passed on to this next generation. So I got a 6, and I don't have a 6, so I'm going to roll again. I got a 4. The 4th one is the blue one. And I happen to get 5, so all 5, and I'm done because they're all one color. So this is random, and the dice is trying to represent that it is random, and that it's random acts that choose this. It just happened to be that this guy right here passed on all his genes and the others did not. So now that we are all to one color, I don't need to keep going because all the population will be identical or be the same. As soon as you have done that one time, then I attached an image to the instructions of another group's data. See, here's a 2nd group, here's a 3rd group, here's a 4th group, and here's a 5th group. So there's 4 groups, and then your data here, so that you can then answer the questions, which are on page 2 of this assignment. So these are the questions you will answer. For admitting or submitting this assignment, if you will submit a picture of your data, and you can do your data on a piece of notebook paper and answer the questions on there, or you could print this out. You don't need to, though. You could do it on notebook paper, and you'll just answer these 5 questions there. Okay, if you have questions, let me know.